Hello, I am Professor Jacob Agbenorhevi from the Department of Food Science and Technology, Faculty of Biosciences, College of Science, KNUST. I'm currently the KNUST PI on the project Africa Agrifood Knowledge Transfer Partnership. This project is in collaboration with University of Huddersfield, UK, UHAS, and Cocoa Processing Company. We are working on pectin use as lecithin replacer in chocolate production. The project has employed an associate who is working on it at CPC and also pursuing further studies to a master's degree. So far, the work is ongoing and involving the partners, and we are able to transfer this knowledge for implementation in the company. We are making progress, and it has been good for both the university and other stakeholders. We look forward that the project is open to further support so that we can advance in expanding the scope of it for the common good.